toe ring, love. Here you go. No, Mom. I don't want it on there. Little busy people. She's hitting me in the face. What is she getting at? I can't see.
It's a pile of noodles.
Zoe, oh my God. So at 10 months, a world of trouble ahead of us, huh? A world of trouble ahead of us. Spaghetti.
So serious. She's really thinking about this. Who needs Fisher Price?
Oh man. Zoe, what is she doing? Is she doing that on purpose? Do I even make... Oh. Do you want me to take it, or are you just kind of playing in noodles?